In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Robinhood into Turbotax. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what information to have handy, so your Robinhood tax documents flow straight into your return without headaches. Start inside your TurboTax return and move your mouse over the income section in the top navigation. Don't click yet, just hover. This opens the income options, so you can quickly jump to the area you need. From there, choose Wages and Income Summary. This brings you to the overview where all your income types live, including investments. On the summary screen, look for the investments area and select Add Edit. This tells TurboTax you want to work with your stocks and other investment information. When TurboTax asks if you have investment income or sales to report, choose Yes. That confirms you want to bring in data from a brokerage instead of typing everything manually. Next, use the search bar on the financial institution screen and type Robin. That quick search filters the list so you don't have to scroll through every provider. When you see Robinhood appear, select it. That opens the secure import connection built for Robinhood accounts. You'll now see a place to label the account. Enter a simple nickname like Robinhood Akin. This label is just for your reference inside TurboTax, especially helpful if you import from more than one brokerage. Below that, enter the document ID. You can find this on your Robinhood 1099 tax document, typically called the Composite 1099. It's shown near the top of the document and clearly labeled Document ID. If you're not sure where it is, open the Robinhood app or website, go to Tax Documents, and view your most recent 1099. The ID will be on the first page. Make sure you copy it exactly as shown. When you're ready, click Sign In to start the secure import. TurboTax will connect to Robinhood and pull in your forms like your 1099-B for sales and any 1099 DIV or 1099 int if you receive dividends or interest. If you're asked to verify your identity, follow the on-screen prompts and then let the import finish. Once the import completes, take a moment to review what came in. Check that totals look reasonable, symbol counts make sense, and the tax year matches. If you previously typed any sales by hand, avoid duplicates by keeping only the imported set. And if something doesn't match your records, compare against the original 1099 in Robinhood and correct any typos in the document ID. That's all there is to it. You've connected Robinhood to TurboTax and brought your investment data straight into your return.